Imagine slipping on a pair of glasses, not just to see better, but to understand the world better. Glasses that can translate languages instantly, guide you through unfamiliar streets, identify people you meet, and even summarize your messages without ever pulling out your phone. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of AI smart glasses. And today, we're going to break down exactly how they work, what's possible right now, and why they might just replace your smartphone in the years ahead. So, what exactly are AI smart glasses? At their core, they're a blend of three things: traditional eyewear, augmented reality displays, and artificial intelligence. Think of them as a tiny computer on your face. They usually contain cameras, microphones, motion sensors, and a display, sometimes built right into the lens. The real magic comes from AI, the software that interprets the world around you and gives you information in real time. Big tech companies like Meta, with its Ray-Ban Meta glasses, Apple, with its Vision Pro headset, and startups like Nereal are all racing to dominate this space. The dream? Glasses that feel as natural as your smartphone, but with AI intelligence guiding you everywhere you go. Let's break it down simply. Step 1. The glasses see and hear the world through tiny cameras and microphones. Step 2. That raw data gets sent to an onboard processor or the cloud, where AI models analyze it, just like ChatGPT analyzes text. Step 3. The AI understands and responds. Maybe it recognizes a landmark, translates a sign, or reads out an email. Finally, Step 4. The information appears in your field of view, either as text, images, or even subtle highlights over objects. It's a seamless loop of perception, analysis, response, delivered right before your eyes. Now here's where things get exciting. What can AI glasses actually do? Travel. Imagine walking in Tokyo and your glasses instantly translate every street sign, menu, and conversation. Education. Students could record lectures, see real-time transcripts, or get instant definitions of complex terms. Work. Imagine a mechanic wearing smart glasses. Step-by-step instructions pop up as they fix an engine, completely hands-free. Accessibility. For people who are blind or visually impaired, AI glasses can describe surroundings, read text, and even recognize faces. Everyday life. Directions while walking, notifications without checking your phone, or even nutrition facts while grocery shopping. This isn't just convenient, it's transformational. But before you run out and buy a pair, there are some serious challenges. The biggest one? Privacy. Glasses with cameras and microphones raise huge concerns. Nobody wants to feel like they're being recorded all the time. Then there's social acceptance. Remember Google Glass? It failed not because of the tech, but because people weren't ready to see cameras on everyone's faces. There's also cost and comfort. Right now, high-end devices like Apple's Vision Pro are bulky and cost thousands of dollars. Until the hardware gets smaller and cheaper, adoption will be slow. And finally, there's the question of distraction. Do we really want a constant stream of information hovering in front of us? Or will it make us even more glued to our devices? So where is this all heading? Some experts believe AI smart glasses will eventually replace smartphones entirely. Instead of pulling out a device, your glasses could do everything. Navigation, calls, even entertainment, projected right in your vision. Imagine combining this with advanced AI assistants. You'd have a personal guide, translator, tutor, and secretary, all living inside your glasses. The biggest opportunity? Accessibility and medicine. Surgeons could perform operations with real-time overlays. Teachers could reach students worldwide with AR lessons. And people with disabilities could experience more independence than ever before. It won't happen overnight, but the trend is clear. AI glasses are the next major platform shift. So, are AI smart glasses the future, or just another passing fad? Right now, they're somewhere in between. The technology exists, but mass adoption will depend on solving privacy, price, and comfort challenges. But one thing is certain, the idea of carrying a smartphone may look as old-fashioned in 20 years as carrying a flip phone does today. So let me ask you, would you wear AI smart glasses? Or do they feel too invasive? Let me know in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Simply AI Explained videos, and turn on notifications so you never miss the future of technology explained simply.